In the semiconductor industry, pipe welding precision and stability are critical. However, many customers face a series of common challenges during the welding process. Inconsistent weld quality, human error, low production efficiency, and frequent equipment maintenance. These issues not only affect production, but can also lead to quality defects, increasing costs and delaying delivery. TATE's Semiconductor Industry Tube Orbital Welding Machine offers the perfect solution to these challenges. First, our machine eliminates the problem of inconsistent weld quality. Traditional manual welding is often affected by the skill level of operators, leading to uneven or defective welds. With TATE's Orbital Welding Machine, we ensure every weld is precise and uniform, free from human error. Regardless of tube size or material, our machine precisely controls the welding process, ensuring top quality results with every weld. Next, our machine significantly boosts production efficiency. Traditional welding methods require extensive manual intervention and adjustments, resulting in longer production cycles. TATE's fully automated welding machine reduces the need for human labor, greatly speeding up the welding process and helping businesses increase production capacity. With our machine, you can meet tight deadlines and deliver products faster without compromising on quality. Third, our machine's stability and durability help reduce maintenance costs. Compared to traditional equipment, TATE's Orbital Welding Machine is much more reliable and stable, with fewer breakdowns and longer service life. Even in high-intensity production environments, our machine delivers excellent performance over the long term, minimizing downtime and reducing maintenance costs. Lastly, our machine is highly adaptable to various materials and tube sizes. In the semiconductor industry, you often need to work with a range of materials and pipe sizes. TATE's Orbital Welding Machine easily handles these variations, providing consistent and efficient welding, whether it's small diameter tubes or larger, more complex pipes. TATE's Orbital Welding Machine is the perfect solution for pipe welding in the semiconductor industry. It not only boosts production efficiency, but also ensures consistent, high-quality welds. Choosing TATE means choosing cutting-edge welding technology. If you're ready to solve these welding challenges and boost your production, don't hesitate to contact us today. Tell WhatsApp +86657065. Email info@oktate.com.